From the station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
From the capital, the station is now the ultimate power in the universe. Overview Radio bring you Overview Podcast with the whole shebang. My name is Joe. Itapankan is over here. Flazer is over here.
I'm in a good mood. Kipatela groove. Bianyana, bananyana, banunu.
Who's that? Who's that?
Please. The mom will leave me.
Sounds like Kest.
Ow.
Yeah, man, we're shooting this episode from Mezzo's Cafe. Continuation of last week, eh?
Yeah.
Continuation of last week.
Yeah.
The best place in town, man, if you want to chill, if you want to meet, if you want to eat, if you want to drink, if you want to work. If you wanna play,
how?
Yeah, yeah, play sharp. Either how, man. Mezzo's Cafe, just alongside Department of Mines, guys. You know, more fairgrounds, more. No, like this is not fairgrounds, more like it's fairgrounds. Park. Yeah, fairgrounds, not the mall. There's the mall. No, I get like these fairgrounds more.
Oh,
that's by Cresta.
Oh, what treasury?
No, like I think they have a treasurer. Hey,
Hey,
dog, this nigga's own me, dog.
Who are the Guptas of UDC?
Of UDC.
Hey, I get a
the same Guptas of BDP are the same Guptas of UDC. The same niggas, like the same niggas are still the. Those niggas are not going anywhere, dog. La what's on a BCP 2029? I get like 2029 let's BCP.
No.
Kana
I see ria.
Larry.
Rare. Rasanze rebe tsara enjoy. It's 58 years umunts. So, we have 58 years.
After 5 years so mo ba ka nya manifest.
No manifesto ke roba ka nya ona masepama.
Oh, okay.
So hona na rela hela. Holiday after holiday.
So ke like Rita 58 years ka UDC.
No, it's in 58.
Boka.
It's a 60.
Ora lo dumela sa leshando a itlhobega ka push.
Ene la bere ke go ganetsa.
A bere ke go ganetsa ya la po. Go ganetseng.
No, but jokes aside, la ha ganetsa gona go tswa ke motho a ganetsa sentle.
Sharp.
Ba na le point. Ke dio tse leng gore kana the ruling party you have to give it a we tsenya le tsogonyana bona. We check gore me e ditsubile.
Yeah.
So we need somebody like Resa Leshando gore a nna ntsa representa gore is kana relaxed e thanya wa bona. But me ke tsa ke re bona gore e thantse there's nobody who's perfect, but ra itse re man le mang ha lona di phoso tsa gwe le one itlo go ira di phoso ke tsa ke re emetse gore kgwedi hele ana re bona gore me 4000 tota
o mo solohetse 4K pa
1.8 ya wele you get
ba pele kante la rena so like le rela gore for instance ha kgwedi hela overview rotere le 4K. Is that what she's saying? Kgwedi hela overview is tsenya ma 4K
but na hela ke le what it's a total lie. Ya gore UDC di ha hela ya this week kana kgwedi ya hela na ka Friday e bere bona ma 4000 ma 2.5 ma 1.8 that's a total lie. Monno nka ba nile akamile clean ya la go bua gore guys to be honest I didn't expect this gore le nne be ke bona turn around dancing yana gore e bere tsa puso but a ke le keng go baakanya phoso e ke itlhela ke itlhetse gona le mathata so ya no ke kopa gore mpeng ngwaga o hele and the next year is simologa e be re simolla ka ona ma 4000.
Wait, when I ring on the sauna, like did he say anything about my 4K on the sauna?
No, I don't think he
Not,
did.
no, he didn't.
Hey, so like he didn't.
Tumelan's points were.
Uh-huh.
So tla bona ya ka kgwedi hela ja. Gore ga teng sentle sentle.
So like he didn't emphasize.
Yeah.
Marmela
a certain certain date gore ha e re ka dikana madi a lona tsena go diragala you get
yeah. To be honest, yeah.
ka tsena kgang ya gore botho maloba a joke ka gone a re gate ke ena mang minister of finance our vice gate ke ha bua gore ene kana na re o kopa dibuka tsa lehatshe seng tsa motshelo ka gore gore ga ba dubile thata.
but it's not lying, like we know what they did fuck
The way,
up, you get
that's what I'm laughing about, the way they said it gore ene na re wa tsa
Tsa
lehatshe
lehatshe.
ba tsa metselo ka gore hey go
gore
mathata.
re tsella
It's
But-
a problem.
But you guys, do you know that before Kore Diary CEDA announced, well, I heard it from Tumelo. And before that, it's CEDA Kore as a parliament, we discussed when the finances and before we could actually go to people and tell them, like, vote for me, get our had 3,000. Kore it's like UDC, they've been knowing what it's
They've been.
ka bua
Yeah, we are here to discuss. What are you saying?
ke dumalana le wena bana
Yeah.
but at the same time how the ruling party you can't just you know o bula dibuko bor no go ntse helana malaiti aka
No,
wa
wa
bona?
bula
No, they
go
know.
pala
I get them like there's the PEC committee, the accounting,
Akera, no, but-
like
but
these guys
me
that
banna-
way.
banna sephiri tsala, me
No.
No, you
no.
can't be superior about that.
That way. Loena,
Badi.
Bank of Botswana gompieno, like if you go to Bank of Botswana, ba go bolela gore Botswana ona le bokae. Like that's public information. Ene bone ka gore bone ba mo teng, they know better. You get it?
so ya no la re go boirileng
Listen, na manifesto. I heard this ka 2019. Like I heard it from the president himself. Back then, he said, "Aga netsa bua gore manifesto wa UDC ka 2019. O kodilwe ke Saleshando." So whenever living wage that thing o dirilwe ke Saleshando. Gore Saleshando ke ene like the head spear what wa manifesto wa UDC. He left UDC again. Remember? Ebe ba sala ka manifesto. So that guy ke ena itseng gore manifesto ne I believe ene as an economist why it's gore like how can he make
Nna mme ke feel
that
gore
whatsoever.
as a party ha ile gore like you are saying gore Saleshando o dule a ke re men ka be nne rile yona kganya gore because it was his manifesto and what he had hopes for, and looking at the fact that now we're in like 5 years later and things have changed, lona manifesto nka balikile gore ba o change.
If you observe manifesto wa UDC lwa BCP ya tshwana because manifesto gate Saleshando rile a tsama aba keep the same manifesto isa cause I get kana o kodileng so like about keep go
Se ke se
BCP.
buang ke gona gore nka be nne go change-ilwe ba itse gore ba na le di-goal tsa bone because now they have another person that's
You mean
representing
UDC?
them.
You mean UDC?
but gore ne ba feel gore it's fine ba dumalana
I guess
that's why ba
so.
utlogetse adding on to
So
what
like
you're
my
saying.
point is my point is do what's about 4K living wage this and that. Motho ona kwala manifesto ke ana ka itseng gore o ka generate income eo yang cause le ka debate ene ona ntse a bua gore 4,000 a kere Saleshando alongside UDC.
ke tlaleletsa so se buang
Eh.
last week after sona
Eh.
e be go na le the first meeting wa
Parliament.
parliament a kere
Eh, eh.
yaanong ba irang ba commentela to what the president was saying ka sona a kere Saleshando o na a re nna ga ke ganetse
Eh.
ke ntse ke a dumalana le manifesto
Eh.
oh no
Gore 4K is possible.
eh.
Exactly.
ga ke re gatwe
Eh.
ke bua ke nne ke lebile
Exactly. Yaanong ke kgang ya go generate.
Eh.
But I
Yaanong
think
the thing
Saleshando, Joey, ke sa go
yeah.
tsena gano, he was just Kore one of those points. He's using them to attack the ruling party.
Yeah.
yeah,
It's only hands up living what is about saying about all about how kill
which is given.
which is given.
Eh. Gape like the thing is that the incumbent president had debate on our November hela 4K wa
Kana ke
tsena.
go no.
Saleshando didn't say ha November hela 4K wa tsena. And no really know in a year's plan or something stuff like that. So
And
yeah
you
no
can- You can tell this from like sorry about that. From
Yeah.
like when there's a clip in a trend amaloba like filling station.
yeah 3,000
Eh, ya malaiti
back
yana.
then.
Ba bona re batho ba solohetseng.
Yeah.
exactly.
Eh.
That's why
But
nna ha nke be ke le le president right now nke be ke re go ha ke itlhela le gore go tlhakatlhakana go na le dio tse e leng gore ha ke tsena mo setilong I saw them go a bona gore dio di tlhakatlhakana so mpeng a
Nako
certain
nyana.
Issue ya rona ke gore why o na itse gore.
e la kona ntsa itse yes.
Letlole le na le bokae?
Gape on top of that Bank of Botswana maloba incident statement e bua gore Botswana ha a tshona. Botswana still has the money antseng ana le. So ha bua gore a gona nyoko wa go ganetsana le Bank of Botswana. You get it? Bank of Botswana e buile gore nyawa re ntse re tshwere madi
So gore ba
ga
le
gona
lebaka.
sepe se se iragetse ba feng
ba re Botswana ga ana madi
ke bomang
a ke re bank Botswana ena le ya re
Bank of Botswana e rile Botswana ena le madi
that's
that's
why
why
ba re Botswana ga ana madi
Ke bae?
bomang
oh guys
like I'd like to understand no like they've never said BDP nere the 4K thing kgwedi like this and that it won't be viable wa bona bona ba re that is not a viable I get bona bana ba bua ba le mo puso e se gore ke a ba buelela bona ba re okay
that's why
I know this is for Manchester United dog wa bona bona ba re 4K bona ba re 4K yo is not a viable thing bone like I remember le considering speech sa ga Masisi a botswa ka the financial status tsa Botswana bua no but like we will the same thing are Botswana is not in financial crisis or whatsoever bone gore like ne ba dirisa madi sparingly one swara ya no chief Kgosithebe buang gore mathaka they were away this promises they are away but now I think that guys we all know what like that's not doable
it is
kore that one I mean like kore like level set ya overview gompieno 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4K times 80 ke boka kgwedi hell that's how much dog
so
ra go motsa ka one madi
okay
like go ntse go difara ka di industry ya ke re like ba bangwe bana le bo like ba bangwe go take bo what per hour ba bangwe bo kana per hour construction this and that per hour like go ntse go difara ba bona but we've had a speaker of the National Assembly essentially Lou on the podcast ke mmotsa ka ena kganya minimum wage a bua gore go mo go a go lebelelwa di tax gore size tsa di company gore for instance he gave an example ka Sen Foods if I'm not mistaken a bua gore okay Sen Foods as big as it is or Choppies as big as it is tseo ke tsone tse go ka teng no duela mabereki 4K wa ntshware tse dingwe bo Mezos Cafe go go tenya rona la bona gore okay no
la
le ka mare first speech sa ga president
mera go a Choppies rotlhe ano you get
but first speech ya ga president ena ba re the formal sector a ba re formal sector ke yona 4K gore la gore keng o entsha go ba diseng bo mading boing mare still how the formal sector o bua ka overview overview are le 8 yana re tla gona 4K every month
hey
wow
I can remember like you are saying gore it differs on the scale of the thing.
that's what the speaker of the National Assembly said essentially
I guess looking at the scale go rona ra ha kae.
yeah no, the problem is that how campaign how we do it
ra thura ke it's possible
so nala between us guys tota like we know gore like that is not tota dio tse dingwe dio tsa go campaign ya la manye
Nya go ta diragala.
Let it catfish you.
Let's just
They are
give
the
the
catfish.
benefit of the doubt.
gore November hela 4K wa tsena
Nya e seng November.
Sepe re
Yo
tlo
e kana
fokotsa
ken.
ona ya.
Matata ke gore ke gona ha sentseng gone ho a specific time. Ibile le gone la tsena nya le go setse go le kgwedi a ba bua dio tseo. But what Flazer is saying gore at least give it a year or something. Gore go bo ba khona go ipakanya ba bone gore ba bakanya ha kae and then maybe then there can be that change.
Le nna ka ria, no.
Tsena nya la bo 3 weeks o bua gore o ne la batho madi. Wa tsa kae wena?
matano ke gore excitement a ba tshwana wena ba teile go 4K November hela 4K wa
amena go tseding hela ha o le one o le ko lapeng ha wa akanya sentelo lo motswana o tseneng sekolo sa mahala o se duelwa
huh
tshwantse ro tlhaloganye gore no it's not possible ha o ba re kgwedi ya nthayela o bonela 4,000 o tsene sekolo o motswana o botlana sekolo sa mahala
Mata fo.
so
so
king
it's not possible go duelwa ka end of November o go tetsa
ne re campaign ka maka
a ke
Gore like, re tswa mo makeng re tsena
Politicians
mo
do
makeng a
that.
mangwe
politicians do
Politicians
that
do that to make you believe,
No,
to
but guys, that
convince you
shouldn't be
to
the
vote for
culture,
them.
though, Taba.
exactly wa bona that should be the cause
let's give it time
Yeah.
a ipakanye
no
lona le batla go
What's
mo
the
jaja
thing?
ka
Emma
kgwedi
Bell,
No,
wait,
he could have-
I
can
think
I-
what you guys are doing, you guys
Pass
are
me.
agreeing to a certain point. Khango ha ke gore gone mmehela ene nka bana sa bua gore November a hela. Mathata ke one yao.
no
Mmehela
ena ga
hela.
bua gore November a hela o rile hela ga ke tsa push
like o rile November a hela
Ke ena November.
o rile Urla November. Okay, listen. Like Nahela, for me, I don't find a problem with our November here. On our campaign. Now I think he could have rectified that kasona because that is the state of the nation address. Ngabana re let's say no. This and that. Me, not necessarily like Reja era, but our roadmap. I really tell you November here, whenever you make a mistake, my nigga, on a chance to rectify your mistake.
True.
One
Flor la dumalana ya la gore khanyela ke gone gore ha ke tsena mo pusong.
Come kgolo November. November o hedi.
Sone se se bua gore me la dumalana.
Friday
Ba time for
Friday ya rantsana
Ka Friday ya ra taba for ke.
Hey, you get it.
Re batla wa kae?
But also, do you guys? I don't know. I haven't had a chance to catch her onto the sauna and all that. The response Lu, I see you sharp. But neku utla I stand to be corrected. I get what I am. Bare allegedly, the president said structure sa BDP, se BDP ntsisira. Wa go se maintain. Wa go se improve here and there. Is it true? Like, is it true?
I think there might be truth in there because I remember he also spoke on how the current government had promised Hore they will change Mola Motel. Because Habatsa Puso and I never promises. So Plazela, it's obvious, but like Haritzana, we need to put our own rules into the table rather than just following whatever was
it being implemented at that time? Yeah.
So, and then I was thinking, and but like they were arguing, if that's the case, how do you structure as a BDP so maintain you? If it's improve you just here and there. For a BDP wasn't necessarily that bad. I don't know.
It was bad.
I don't know. One swar. Because I get like this guys, the new government is a change. Change everything.
To be honest, how can I after 58 years, we will change back to zero, restore factory settings. Obviously, we are back and it's more sensitivity. We can change but not everything.
Yeah.
So, how about change? How at clear single lesson, one single lesson, or a
Just corrections.
You get
Katonara change, why improve? So what base BDP settling it was good.
It was bad.
It's Karela, so
It was bad. That's why we're like
But anyway, guys, moving on now. What's your take on Setlhomo Tshwanelang's strike and all that, and where the issue is right now? I mean, last week, I get it was last week. Yeah, like we saw him leading a protest telling Gore. The numbers were incredible, very amusing numbers and all that. Yeah. They went to the minister and assistant minister of trade and all that. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. I get to campaigning against Anita Watamani and the whole cabal or what. But yeah, they were protesting or suspend you so that investigations can be done properly and all that. And now Harry shooted this episode in no lawsuits after lawsuits for Setlhomo Tshwanelang. What do you
8 million?
We are Mikey.
He was sued. Is it 7 million or so?
Sanisirite is suing 7 million.
Yeah.
Chiliwe is suing as well.
$500,000.
Chiliwe is suing, and like he said that he's expecting
About more than 20.
like a lot of lawsuits coming.
Yeah.
And then what I'm noticing is that silence Abatswana simulola yano. I was having this conversation with Chief Goose like the other day before this lawsuits thing come. Hey, this thing, I think our boy needs to be careful on this thing because
that's what comes with being a whistleblower.
No, true, Sepi. That's a good
That's
point.
what comes with being a whistleblower.
This guy like this backup born and that much because hadiboa kabonya like baron silent like you should try, like you're saying, that's what comes with being a whistleblower.
No, as much as you can believe in something and you want to advocate for it, at the end of the day it's gonna backfire. Honestly speaking, I think the reality that we can learn from this is that no matter how much you want to actually find out the truth and say it, kore give people the truth and what they want, kore nyamme go tshamekiwa yana.
Ke bona meme ya batho.
Oh, we ragala.
Yeah.
But the truth, hella. As much as you can want to say it and become a whistleblower, at some point it backfires on you alone. Because but how many are willing to stand with you
Only
to
a
the
few.
very end?
Like only
Like
a few.
what you're saying, and you lose to it's always like that.
Because dog, like one thing with cyber laws, didingalo blind, didingalo. That's why I some people stands sue stuff like that and all that. Because like it's becoming very complicated now, and I just wish that Mudumo and the support and thing for the guy, or can maintain nothing. But at the end of the day, we know how our people are. Like I was telling you, we've seen this guy ATI. For the masses were there. How to silence you get it? Like abasala alowa.
Matata ke gore rona as I think as a country, especially rona Batswana, re batho ba ileng gore re boy. You get what I mean? As much as we have a lot of back, but we don't have the bite. As much as we're going to protest and batho ba tabale joina ba reng, but at some point when it's time for action to actually happen, mongwe le mongwe o boela go mora gore me you are just there for the action, but you're not there to actually be part of it.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
That's why, dog, in this country, you must fight for yourself and your values.
Exactly.
Dog. Like that's just how it is in the like for me, fight for yourself, your values,
And what you believe in.
your
yeah.
family. That's it.
The masses are what are provoking you to actually continue with this thing. Because each man for himself, God for us all.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, wa go sala o le nosi. Batho ba ileng gore o no fila gore wa ba direla wa ba thusa ela ka gona na bo CEDA go ta go te go batua madi a bone. Le bona batho ba ileng gore gape like Setlhomo saying gore wa ba advocate because of bone bo sane seriti and all that. Ke batho ba ileng gore ba dira di protest but bona gore ya no Setlhomo ke eno ileng gore he's dying alone now.
But also, guys,
and all that.
But also, guys, let's have this conversation. It doesn't make sense, gore. Listen, guys, CEDA kana ke go man. You get it? How come Motswana, like who's part of the government, ana le ngwa ka CEDA e be a go mosekisa? But like, how does that make sense? You get it? I mean,
There's foul play
Hey.
somewhere.
I just want to speak to
Mike.
how we are able to protest now.
hey,
Hey, you remember back then where like you
yeah.
props to the new government on giving us that freedom to express my good
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
back to your issue though. Now like maybe I'm a whistleblower. I become the bad guy.
Yeah.
I mean what the fuck is that?
Do like it doesn't make sense like while complain like a Department of Mines e be go isa court.
Bruh.
Because
When
like
they smoke this
that's your
fire.
tax money at the end of the day.
There's foul play
You
somewhere.
get it?
Yeah.
So like as a Motswana, like you are entitled. How feel like there is corruption more like this organization? Dog, that is your organization. I get like as
And we are always encouraged to report corruption.
exactly. You get it? So not to me like that's something that doesn't really make sense.
Yeah,
And
come clean. No.
Hey.
But here's the paperwork, here's the report.
Hey.
That's-
Arana
yeah,
yalo.
yeah.
E ile phoso. So, re go bontshitse kana re bontshitse Batswana gore no, he was not being
He was not being honest.
o jele era, you get.
Hey.
So ya no go nke gona no aka irang apology gore no o bone phoso ga ira sentle after re hetsa go ntsha sengwe le sengwe wa bona.
Hey.
But me hala kiri no a certain company or the government is doing 1 2 3 over no ra go sekisa re batla 7 million
eh.
mfethu
Hey.
Flazer
Obana ya ga
Ya,
sani
o motho a
yone.
7 million.
Listen, ya ga sani yone I get it because I grow on a sign. Kana court Setlhomo we so court ke CEDA, not sign.
That's why nare.
Sign almost slepile ka lawsuit, I get it.
Eh.
I think okay, yone sign ene o act as sign. I get sign like he's a private entity ko. But what I don't understand is why CEDA is this guy go court. I complain like something saying he's entitled to complain about.
No,
One
but
far.
like,
If it was Tamani taking him to court, I would understand. Kana Sani taking him to court, I would understand. But
but a
CEDA,
whole organization.
Kana NDB, I get it. NDB is a private bank. I get it. Kana FNB, Kana Stembi, you get it. But CEDA, kind of like that's a government entity. One swar. That's what doesn't make sense to me. You get it. If Chili Boy must slap a lawsuit, okay, fine. That's between him and Chili Boy. Like that's personal.
Orojelo gidiko.
Hey, but how Department of Mines who feel or no? Time and hour na go complain or this and that. If you court, like it doesn't make sense to me. Bro.
And a whole judge alaba,
You get it.
Like a pura pu.
Hey,
Ka ke ipeela ka
you get it. So yeah, total like at the end of the day, the law is the law. Like it doesn't make sense sometimes. But now like I just wish hey, I don't know, guys. Like it's like yeah, boa for Setlhomo now. Like I just wish that he can be very careful now going forward. One swap.
His phone is being tapped. Be careful what you say to me. And he's going against the big guys, dog. CEDA,
Yeah, they're gonna come after him. Yeah.
Bo Doka, say,
Hey, Leboni.
Bo
Hey, don't
Chili
consider
Boy.
Waring, agar na kwa teng ebile le ona she actually posted on Facebook ay khatare madi a teng ke yona ke a jeleng a supa le ko famong and all that saying she was just being funny about it.
It's not 30 million, it's 3 million.
Yeah.
No, I mean like o slapa mfana ka lo sutileng.
No, I'm not sure about the lawsuit, but
I see you are, but me now this guy should apologize. This signal is coming.
Doctors.
After. Hey, can't I bona?
Ke bona do.
nyana ke bone yana ikgatha ka khanya teng la bua gore nya na madi a teng ka ai.
Ora hale Motsumi.
No, the other one.
That one I saw it.
I think it was Thursday morning, last week. Thursday morning, I think.
I haven't seen
You are
that
from
one.
Raymond Tshwanelang now. What do you do in the situation?
I go after everyone.
Tota, you know, like
What,
Flazer is saying, I think
You know why?
Do or die.
What's the word chile pa?
Hey,
o setse go chele.
If I want to apologize, I keep quiet, and then you do that.
yeah.
It means that as
Yes,
an individual,
exactly.
as a couple,
Yes,
you get.
yes.
So, like that.
Yeah.
Go after what you believe in. Go after.
Continue with
you
it.
get. Hey, sorry. You'll never know what
Because
probably
gape-
you are the one person who talk all along.
And at the
Yeah.
same time, go taletsa mo go wena, it's a matter of right now, like what you guys were asking, why would basically where there's smoke there's fire.
Yeah.
So if he really is making an impact, that's why these people are actually coming for him now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's a lot of
Tswelele.
heat.
My interest.
It's a lot of heat, but
My interest e ha go Flazer thata bua gore you are the person on tseng re motloka now. If that's the case, guys, why the silence? That's the problem that I
Silence from
have
From Botswana.
from the public. Let's make more noise now.
but I get
Gore ha e le gore di a boa
We
ya no.
are doing that
Let's
as overview
go.
now.
No overview ana go re
no, but
My
kanye re ntseng re bua
Get it.
gone gore at the end of the day, even if you can have so many Batswana or people that are following you and what you believe in, but at the end of the day, there's not so many people that have the courage to continue with what you believe in. You get what I
Yeah.
mean? It's all up to you on your own.
Yeah.
That's why at least if you believe in something, don't go about what the masses are saying or be pushed gore ka gore batho ba ntumela.
Hey.
It's according to you yourself gore no nna mme ke a itse and
Yeah.
gore a ba ntshapota kana ba boela ko morago kana eng nna mme ke a go
And I
tswelela
think
wa
that's where
bona.
Setlhomo is, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
me guys, like, do you guys honestly think that corruption can be eradicated like that? Do like especially on it, like involve in institutions tse di tshwanang le bo CEDA ya?
Can I take it?
Yeah.
I feel corruption, yes, can be eradicated.
Like, I cannot hear you.
I feel like corruption can be eradicated, yes, but it's going to take time because the people in the high priorities, get high places, they're the most corrupt
Yeah.
in instances.
Yeah.
So to take the power away from those people, it's going to take some while.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a time, but
Yeah.
eventually, ha re ka tswella hela re
Tswella ho
lwantsha gone gore re bantshe mo re lwantsha
Yeah.
papa.
The change of government cannot stop corruption, right? It's true. No, true.
No,
Like
yeah,
it
it won't,
cannot.
yeah.
It won't.
To a certain
Like it
extent,
cannot.
to a certain extent, e ka eradicate corruption. I get it, certain people will be taken off their seats, but not everyone.
Yeah, no,
Eh,
true.
not everyone, but to a certain extent.
And that's the best
Eh.
approach we need to do
Yeah.
towards corruption. I like what I tell them department and lot here. I like what Joey corrupt or not corrupt lens a lot.
Once.
Because you guys know what like Joey
Yontsana, mela itidimala.
Mela itidi.
Ora lot out.
Criminals
Yeah.
are wearing suits.
Hey, but hey,
Ah,
dude, like
yeah.
this guy like this issue and not like eating alo because Obana, dude, like Obana having good like how kile wa indulge much there. Do like the local, like especially the local political landscape, you'd realize that these guys, man, like they live together. Good like it's a society of them. They have from different political parties and all that. You get it? Like we whoever is being accused, ukila tusa, maybe the sitting president or the future president, like
Bro, it
or
is-
stuff like that.
it is like
they
that.
owe
And it
each other
wasn't
favors
something
and all that.
clean.
Yeah,
And
stuff
it wasn't a
like-
clean
Hey,
way.
Wawan. And like we tell like they have personal relationships, personal interests, stuff like that, blah 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 blah.
Bro, it is.
That one you
It's
on
a
it.
farm,
Hey,
it's a-
like you
Hey,
get it.
hey.
Like we have
Banyana ba le banna
Ke
ko
sure
phone
ba na le WhatsApp group e.
one.
Ke sure
You
ba na
get
le
it.
WhatsApp group.
Hey, good like we have what again? Like we have hanged around politicians like a long time to understand, and like we have hanged around like different, from different political party colors.
Yeah.
Like these guys, like they live together, but tell what this and
Oh,
that.
Treasurer Moti.
Treasurer one one. Treasurer one.
Ke man tota, ke
Ke
man
no
tota.
banela
Ke ka nna man tota.
Hey, and then Chindo one, you get it.
Let's
So,
move on.
hey, man, like for something like this, hey, dog, hey, it's going to be.
O tla jwa batho.
What was your about, dog?
ene kana gape ba jallana le di-side chick, yeah.
No, e twa hetse ga.
Huh? Ora, go di helicoptering.
Ko di helicoptereng. Go ira
Ha ke
re.
tshele.
Ko di farm ko banyana.
Ko di farm on touch.
Go back and
Hello.
Le ha mola kwa le rra.
Hello, hi.
yeah, TP. Okay, yeah, like let's move on, guys. Yeah.
Last week, we saw a trending video. Tota 2 videos actually that showed us what a Jub is now and bots.
Candela was it real? Like what?
Yeah, dude.
Hey,
Game
man, ke mona le go stats.
No, now you
Like,
need
what's
to
the
Nna
see
ke
me.
bona
Ah,
ne le
by
ha
Western-
Western by
Westgate.
massage.
Hey, Westgate, Westgate.
Nna
Hey,
ke bone ya-
those
ke bone
blue
ya-
killers, can.
In the sorry. Motsagare o na le ko stationing. Maitsebo a ba ya gone ko Westgate.
A latela cherry e nngwe
Eh,
e ne investigate.
eh.
But remember, guys, like who on that right sense of mind will just call you?
Hey,
Had my
let's
Jub
go
Jub
to
well,
dilo ka.
Do you know what? Okay, I think
But now I don't have a problem with it.
Look with that.
Yeah.
no,
But
na
ne, I
tota
have a problem.
same. I also have a
My
You know
problem
why
is-
I'm saying tla ke
Hey, hana
tsene ke
chance.
Hey.
how do you get tla ke bue nna ke re I don't have a problem.
Eh.
Ba bangwe ba bue. The reason why I'm saying I don't have a problem is how it gets or how it is. You are not doing anything. Why do you have a problem with Jub coming to
it's not about that.
No, like.
I'm sorry, it's not about that.
Hey, thank
It's
you.
not about
Hey.
you being like o
Like
feel
having a
gore
problem,
gongwe
eh.
just because we ra sengwe go ra gore le ene a skata kwano kana o toga lo expose you no.
It's
Now I
about
was
what?
looking at it from this perspective yeah gore first of all in our country especially the current year there's been a lot of GBV cases and there's been a lot of passion killings especially rona ela re le Batswana, as much as there's a lot of shit that is happening, go na le di-side chick and all that, and it happens. Ke tshwanetse ke le di-suicide, and then Jub comes and look at our country gore population e nyenyane. Wa ntlhaloganya?
Re wiki gape le
Re
rona
wiki ka
Batswana.
bo rona, especially mo dipelong.
Ka
Wa
mbekeng
bona
le-
go ntse yang. And then Jub comes and ke batho ba e leng gore gompieno ana, obviously ha le ka ke la confronta motho a na le side chick ya gagwe, and then majority of the time when you look at the show e naganya gore obviously go tshwanetse go nne le go betsanwa. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
The same thing that we're fighting right now, re lwantshana GBV, re lwantshana those kind of things.
No, yeah, but like,
And
yeah,
it's like
no,
wa promote.
that's a, yeah, no, like, that's a great point. Yeah, that's a great point.
It's like wa
Mare-
tsa gore batho ba betsane. A ke re tse ke di assault tse leng gore gompieno wa reporta.
yeah.
Wa
No,
reporta
like,
go police.
she has a point. Marina, my point was towards the individual. Gore like, I don't understand. Ke ratana le tshapang ke feel gore tshapang wa ntshita like be ke letsa jubu ke mara ke re come dog. Ha ile ke feel gore tshapang wa ntshita like why don't I
No, but
just
Joey, these things have been around.
thank you.
Have you heard of a
Thank
show
you.
called Cheaters?
No, like I know cheaters dog. Ya ga Joey.
Hey.
I know the show.
Wa bona?
Hey.
Gore ke buela mo goreng, as a people, wa bona, we need to. I know gore Batswana are very conservative. Is it the right word? Wa bona? We need to allow gore dio di ragale. Wa bona? It's time, though.
Gore tsotsi
I know gore
listen.
reality
There's a
TV
way of approaching that thing.
Ke a go utlwa wait. Ke a go utlwa ke a go tlhaloganya wa ntshwara.
o na le
Ke a
matla.
go
No, na go na ke
Listen, Ncha, I hear you, Wabon. I don't have a problem with the I don't have a problem with the show happening.
yeah.
But na like one, like I'm just here sitting
Play
gore.
contradictano.
Listen, Flazer ne ke re naya me.
Halana show le ma, halana matata le show.
Listen. Tsapang
Sepi has
issue
a
ya go ke a
problem.
show.
No,
Wabona?
no.
Na issue ya
You're
me.
not getting my
Listen,
point.
Okay, like let me clarify my point.
Why?
Na ne ke re nna ke le Joey.
Uh-huh.
I don't understand why I would call Jub ke mara ke re Tsapang is cheating on me.
Oh, yeah.
Ako
Oh, yeah.
on
Oh, yeah.
checkele ho.
Eh.
Make it public. You get it? Cause na ke le Joey. Ke feel gore le nna ke le Joey. Ke itira bare.
No, wa bo bela
Wa
ena,
ntshwara.
ke
Ke ra gone,
So
ke ra
ke
gone.
batla
So
go
ka re
bonela
nna,
confirmation.
gore I'm making it public gore from ya ntshita ke itira bare.
Now you know what?
Show is happening. Half Flazer, ke itira popa. Half Flazer participate mo gone. I'm gonna watch and I'm gonna laugh.
Obviously.
Hey, that's fine. Mare now on call Jub ke mara ke re yo.
Don't check
Tsapang
it
is
out.
cheating on me.
So
Check
Joey,
it
you
out.
wouldn't find love through a dating show.
Like a dating what?
Show.
Or app.
Or app, eh?
Tinder.
Be honest.
I've never tried.
Listen,
that.
Obana, like in terms of finding love, like I feel like love comes whenever or wherever. Wabona. So like I don't know, like I cannot discard anything right now.
Oh.
Like if I come to Mezos and then I find love, so be it. Like if I'm
That was a cartoon ho.
like more Mezos.
No, how battle love through a TV show.
Like when I go on a TV show, no, I'm looking for love.
Eh, ga te ne bidio a man show
Asa
ele ala
moja
we.
Di dintsi tsala, di
Ke ngwe ne mo SABC wa.
So moja love kana ga teng.
Ano mo jala
Ah,
go channel.
e ntšha. Gape mo go ntšha mo.
Listen,
Go na le
okay.
level too hot to handle on Netflix and those kind of things.
Listen,
Yeah, it's
okay.
alright.
Listen, okay. I personally can do that. Maybe ke batla blow something. I don't know. Or for fun. Wabona.
Ke lati.
But
Accommodate my family.
Emma Pella, but ha ke re fro. Kana dog, this is my woman no long worry. Ke fro ya me dog. Ha ke re
Example.
wa nchita.
Example.
Example.
No, listen, ha ke re wa nchita.
Ke wa lona, a se wa gago. Ke wa lona.
Like, ha ke re wa nchita. Ebe ke bontsha the whole world gore this chick is cheating on me. Ke nna Popeye. Wa ntshwara. Like that's something. Mare go itse batho ba le few. Ya no.
Ha o itse le ha tselo.
Ha go itse le ha tselo.
Le South Africa.
Like wa bona like not the whole of Mzansi.
Now
Yeah
it's
no.
already-
Back to Tsapang. Tsapang and she has a problem with the whole show. Let's give her a chance to explain.
No, she doesn't
What
have a
I
problem with the
meant
show.
was the way they're going about it.
Oh, okay.
When I ya ka o bua gone gore wa khona go ikhathuna, but nna at the end of the day a ke dumalana le kgang ya gore batho ba betsana. Now that's what I'm
But the
against.
bouncers there ba e leng gore ba kgaoganya
Oh,
batho.
mayano la nanta
Kanta o isole mo go strategy sa batho ba le togela gore le tsenye tse pedinyana gore le ska la go batsana
For
thata.
entertainment.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
Lekana-
Kana
if
da
Francis
just
is in
there
Nandika,
gore le
kana
ska
nne.
la betsana thata. kore mo e leng gore le go batsana like mongwe o tswa ka ska or something mme ela dimpama tsone tshwanetse gore di tsene tse pedi tse tharo
We blame V for this. Like, if you observe, like V as a like when I let in this show here.
Serious.
Like observer.
What
Like
about V?
remember that like a couple of years ago, Killer like
But
Huawei
no,
franchise.
yeah, like,
Like
to be
I
honest, yeah, no, it's not
Kumpi
like
on
I
a guy like
remember
Tokuman
that,
share radio is a thing more than
Yeah.
anyone.
Yeah, no, true.
Like he's
No,
the
it's not
one.
like-
Vegan I believe in mataka.
Vegan as one with mataka. Cause like he
Kan te bone ba hilo di right ya ntsa go ba shoot dilo kwano. Ba ta ba ire dilo tsone tse ba di.
nagana nna ke feel gore the reason why ke le ra ke re
Why
I don't
would
like
you-
the
why
way
would you go to another person's country?
era kwano ga e ere mo
mo BTV
it's just a
e era
franchise
kwa.
ke gating Uyajola 99 Botswana bona ba tsile kwano ba tsa ba isa kae ba isa South
Yes,
Africa wa bona so ha so re ba tsile kwano gore no
e be go
re batla
tela ba
gore
bona
di
ba
dire kwano.
tswalo
Hey.
You get.
Marmela guys, yeah, Chief Gustavo, this opens like a new opportunity, film and creative. Why is you?
Hey, mara.
Let's go on that thing.
Later.
Let's expose Cup.
Family
We are
Family.
going to with the
Hey.
two hippos. No, I
Hey,
didn't say one.
Hey, la.
ba re investigate
Chicha sabu swara like irla teleba.
Hey,
Send them the email. We got to get my email out. Overviewpodcast@gmail.com.
Hey, Joey.
Send
at sex.com
Hey, Joey. Karame kana ba irile mathata kana nong gaborone as the prime center for
thank
cheating.
you yes
no obviously
and
if you
More
have
content.
a TV show e tshwanang le Uyajola 99 o batla go a ko e leng gore go tletse
Mona gaborone ga iragala mon. Ga ta ba buile ha UV ya.
more content.
more content wa bona ha o kwa re o itse gore o motho wa content
le
o
ko
ba go a
difamong
content
go iwe
based
ko
on
difamong
Hey,
Banna-
Zubu, the
banna
farmer
ba-
pie.
Banna
Malatsi a
di
ba
cruiser
siela
ra.
ko.
Hey.
Banna ba di cruiser ba ba sala morago.
So I get la
Tsa
real.
Solofelo East.
Look at the flat. So,
and all precious
Go sa
all
tse o
over the
itsedi,
place.
go sa tse o
hey,
itsedi,
man,
di-
hey,
di-
dog,
di
they are very
pinpoint
precious.
They are very
Man.
Ah, ga
precious,
iragala
yes,
mo
no.
gaborone mon.
When
So la re ba irang.
sensitive,
So la
huh?
re ba irang, like ba send the
That's why go
email to
isa
overview.
yana re shola dibe tsa batho
No, let's call send the email. I batla go ikgolega, re batle sepe. Guys, be careful. Don't cheat. We don't want GBV. We don't want people being killed. We
passion
don't want shit
killing
like
no
that.
suicides
Please, guys, don't stop cheating.
Mele
Be
do har
with-
har ka level.
Mogolo wa
Cheat
bua.
ka bana, kana re live in the first world.
So the first world, it means cheating.
Eh, le bo OnlyFans ba teng.
honestly okay
OnlyFans wa bosa cheat. Wa ile go ira spa.
like what he's saying the first word now we tell you nowadays the way things have changed I think it's always something to look at gore the reality of it is this kind of shit happens all the time it's just a matter of na gore hela se ke se ganetsang ke kganya violence that's one thing se ke se gana
Eh, wena
gore
wa
the
tlo
reality
tsena
of
le
it
bo.
hela ke gore yes shit happens here and honestly no matter how many times you're going to advocate for it it's not going anywhere anytime soon
Ka re me ba nyedisana,
Mela.
ba ntse re so.
nya gona re tareng a utlwe ke gore akere as much as we can
La
advocate
camera is seeing.
Mela.
I did tell her she goes down ngwana. Ke ta ke mo mura.
ke yone kganyene re bua last week gore mme batho ba teng ba le babedi yana o ta bo toto re nya hewe go ntse yalo lalo bo kgalemela motho e be nna ka moso e bo go te kweno e leng gore
Me gona
wa re
le brand.
kgaoganya.
How can you tell your boyfriend or your husband o mo tshwara red-handed,
jive.
live jive wa go ira be honest ke ra o le tsapang o le one hela wa go ira
O batla la ka di con.
no but ke tswa yana honestly nna ke dumele mo violence
wena o ke ira boy
I
nna
bring
ke a
them
tsamaya
condoms. Tla go get like yeah, condoms, yeah.
o ba ha di condom
No, I
Yeah,
just
like
walk
at
away.
least use some condoms.
o ke ira
No.
spoke when
I can walk
Ah,
away
nah, just walk away though.
honestly speaking
Yeah.
tota ebile in a sober state of
simple
mind
lolo.
in a sober state of mind as much as it's painful to see that it's a matter of walking away gore hela it's just different ga go tshwanela ga o tagile ho ke gone o ta ira dilo tse e leng gore you
Walk
wena o
away,
ke ira stone
Nah.
Mm.
Ke go bua. Now honestly if I find my partner cheating on me. Ke go ba approach ke ba bona. No listen bro. I show you ke go bone. I get. E be go bolela gone gore
eh
late.
go hedi
Hey, then I walk away. I'm not gonna fight. I'm not gonna cause commotion. Nothing.
now ntse
Ke
re
go la
tsamaya ka
approach.
seat.
Ke go bontsha hela gore no ke go bone.
Three mo fine.
Nna ke
e
tswa
jala
ka
we
seat.
he
Ke a go bontsha le gore ke go bone gore ha ke tla go wena ke go bolelela e ska nna ha wa bona na ke a go bontsha gore ke go bone le wena o make sure gore o mpone e be ke go bolelela gore yo ha le gore you are into this late.
Ora
Eh,
we are
really.
only good guy hela mo podcast
Nah.
Like it's a character of a podcast.
Like, honestly speaking, I wouldn't.
I've tried that one
find-
time and I ended up with a
find-
broken leg.
Oh,
Wait,
I'm fine with
Jimo.
that.
What? Like you tried that one time and you ended up with a broken leg.
The broken leg, GBV.
So that
leg.
Okay.
inflamed
Ankle.
ankle.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it
Oh,
doesn't
better
work
feeling.
out. Yeah, doesn't
You
work
see?
out.
No,
Now
maro-
she's being
Ah,
Tsepang.
Tsepang wa beta dog. Why is?
Not safe and all about.
Hey, dog. Tsepang wa lwa.
Oh, when it guy.
Hey, ai wena. Ai wena le dipotso tsa gago.
I can't keep on over Tsepang. Wow.
Tsepang wa
Who
lwa.
are from the bottom of his heart.
Like
Dog.
Gathan.
Boslere.
Rona ta overview, I said overview or diata.
Oh,
Hey,
I
la.
wanna poke a rokoma.
Le rana rona.
I wanna poke a toucha.
I know, but like the most ideal thing to do, guys, like is just to walk away, especially
Yeah.
to like to ask Majid.
But for
But
your
to be
pride
honest,
and your
like that,
dignity,
Yeah.
just
To be honest, Taban, sorry, people probably ba bang gona ba ile gore ba lebile podcast ba go feel gore Flazer is being difficult or we are masepa ka night. I like that. Nako tse dingwe le legit or le cherry. Go tsa action at that time, go bo go diragala at that moment. Wa boa ka gore go bo go
We are all on a hole.
wa bona
Eh.
mind o rana ha ile gore na le relationship ya 20 years kana 15 or 10 years wa bo rana gore o tswa gakala wa bona o
yeah,
process
because
you
you're
get
looking at gore
and
after
gore
all this
invest-ileng,
time,
o ileng, o thusitse motho o ka
everything that
eng,
you've been through.
and to find this
Yeah.
ha gona
Mara ke go walk away later.
Just
Eh.
concede, gents.
Now
Just
now
concede.
ke ba gore
Concede.
when
Nah,
you're in a
won't.
proper sober state of mind
You don't
hela,
concede.
na
as painful as it can be, matata ke ha yanong o setse o tshweretse pedinyana kana o ka re
Eh. So
o setse o
o buile
lemoga,
a khona ka o
and
shine.
kana ha gongwe e le gore what you've been suspecting is actually what is happening.
you see
At some point it's like your mind shuts down
Ebile a ngo
and
kgalemeletse
you
motho a
just
teng, motho a teng.
Gents.
you go haywire.
Tsepang is a woman, like whatever that she does, she gets away with it. Let's talk about it, like
What?
a Majid. What Flazer, or you want?
What?
I won't.
Wait, what?
We run like wow.
What do you mean I can get away with it?
No, women get away with everything.
With
We know
everything.
that. Like yala ka wana mo usual 99. Women are the ones who bet
Ba
some
betsa
it's
mbasi-
okay.
and
It's
then
fine.
Majita-
Eh, go
Eh,
simola.
go simola.
Nah.
Flazer wa ringwe.
I won't walk away
Wa go irang.
Wa golo.
probably yeah
A go patola mo.
Nna mme
What
kore
you
hela
mean?
tota nna
What
ke
you
dumela
mean?
gore I can't na
hanga betswa
Eh.
Wait,
Ke
guys,
be
can I
ke
know like
but-
ribua over each
Ke a bo ke
other?
lo.
Like let's give us a chance.
get-
Cut each other a chance.
I won't walk away
Nna ke batla go betswa. Akanyo o tsetse ngwanyana o bo betswa gape.
Imagine, bro.
A ke batla go
Imagine. Imagine.
Imagine,
Imagine, dog.
no,
Imagine.
but I won't walk away just like that
2-0.
Bro.
Ke tsone le bekere
Ha cherry ha-
cherry a minchitile a no sharp like taga let me walk away
Bro, that's the best thing.
it's the best thing
O ba go lela
Come
kwa
on, dog, I'm
lapeng,
talking
e be
about
he.
reality. It's the best thing. I'm not lying to you. It's the best thing. You do man, but I won't. My cool, the emotion at that time.
No, like I get him. And I
Eh, no, I get
No,
you, I
and
get
I and like and I and he won't do that. Wow, Marnella got like one of the many reasons why Nala like I love sports. Got like it teaches me how to concede. Wow, got like how
Ojelo,
like
eh.
dog how Balendo also rigged.
Bro.
Our nigga was robbed, but like we had to concede. No, Rejelwe, go botlhoko, it's painful.
Ha o jele o jele.
Hey, how's it low?
I like that. I go Berlin Dio.
Wow. Wow, Vinicius was robbed the other day.
Ona le batho ba apere disutu, ha di tswa go tla mo
Sekai.
stage. Hey, ha re mo stage. Ga bo go nyewa.
Sekai.
Akanya baby mama go ijiwa. Eh? O
Wa
bo
bo jele.
Flazer.
Kore dog ujilo consider.
Ajiwa. O bo baby.
Nya.
Kana lo ntse o
Wa
na
go
le- lo ntse o na le
heta.
mabo. Bana lo go ra ganteng gape.
Nya ema pele Jmo. Even wait Jmo.
Eh, kganye,
Even
no, you're right.
Jmo
You're
ema
right.
pele. That aside. How is lo jelo? Consider.
Eh, concede,
Wa bona?
also
Masisi
go
maloba like he considered or no ke jelo gent. Wa bona?
Oh,
And men are struggling to concede.
Ga
Like habajo. Flazer, it's painful. Wow. It's painful. Go botlhoko maneng. But just concede, dog. Ke jailwe. Ke biditswe ratu. Ke tripilwe.
Mara
Concede. Lo se ke lo.
the overviewers
gore bone ba re
gore bone ba kile ba kopana le mathata a
Ba re
ke ba dire jang
ba re bolele
kana
We need a WhatsApp line for the OV.
Ne? Yeah.
honestly
Yeah, true.
where they call
No,
Yeah.
we'll get to that. We'll get to
Yeah.
that soon. Over viewers, we'll get to that soon.
I get
but
it.
anyway
And like
on to
look for the
next.
topics and all that.
Yeah,
I get
yeah,
it.
true.
on
Yeah.
to the next
But don't walk
VN, or
away.
bolelle ka di-VN, or go ira-
Eh, go ira-
Hey.
Wa bona.
Stuff like that.
But don't walk away. Fix things with your girlfriend.
Okay.
on to the next
Yeah.
right now it's one of the best news just as we've been having a good
Okay, best news.
run for the year gore now Zebra Silone qualified to
Yeah.
Ratseleno, dog.
After 20 years.
Yeah.
Come on, I get
After 20, can take 20 man, 13 or 14.
Man, all about nah.
Hey, like I think after about 10 or 11
For me,
years.
dog, it's better.
it's
Hey,
better it's
yeah, like after
something
10 or
It's
11 years.
another-
it's another
win. It's another
achievement
win in the
for
bag.
us.
A great achievement, dog.
Another
Like
win
not
in
just
the bag.
another
2024
win.
has been a good year for us.
Yeah,
That's one thing I
yeah,
can say.
Yeah, and like we had this conversation on the podcast last week.
We're
Masego
always
Chombo
saying
starting it off. Litsile Tebogo.
Ah, you re mo putile one.
Litsile
for real.
Tebogo. Who else? Ross Branch,
Ross
Dumamoko,
Brand,
and now the
Dumamoko,
Zebras.
Now the Zebras. Even apparently, the basketball team, ya Botswana, apparently they're number one in
Yeah.
Africa.
Serious?
So, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, like one of the
I
vouchers,
saw it,
eh,
Malo.
right?
Hey,
I got 14 not.
the vultures.
60. Hey, 16 not. Maybe so again Namibia again. Was it Namibia or
Yone ya
I'm
Botswana.
not sure. It's Morocco.
Morocco?
Yone ya Botswana.
Hey, rugby.
No, oh, the rugby, okay.
Hey.
No, but hela
basketball.
basketball in a
Bona
bare,
gote
it's number
basketball.
one in Africa.
Yeah,
The Botswana team, apparently, the guys team.
Serious, dog.
Yeah,
Like, is that
it's-
like,
Yeah, it was
No, that's
posted
new
on
information.
Facebook.
but like, is it possible?
I doubt.
That's what I'm
It's
wondering.
number one, guys.
Like the basketball team, ya Botswana.
The
like I
men's
thought Checo,
basketball.
hey.
I know I shared it.
Like you shared it.
Yeah.
The men's basketball being number
Key.
one. In,
Yeah, congratulations to Team Botswana men's beach
Beach
volleyball.
volleyball.
Nakar basketball. Sorry guys.
not basketball, no.
Beach volleyball. Eh,
Mo ba dilanga ba rile ama cherry. Oh.
that is currently ranked number one in Africa.
Oh yeah.
Happy, you know the irony of it now that I've read it. Beach volleyball. We don't have beaches
We don't
here.
have beaches here.
But here we are, we're number
We only
one.
got hoes.
So it's,
We only got home.
We don't got bitches.
We don't have bitches, we got home.
Labele re, ako le nne le re buisa sentle batho.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Shout out to the Zebras guys. For yeah. Wait, guys.
Hey, so much about
Yeah, guys. Shout out to the Zebras. Shout out to
The beach volleyballers.
yeah, to the beach volleyballers and all that. You know, for like for me and Chief Ghost, like I don't know about you guys. You know, there are some guys in the team ya Botswana that are going to AFCON and all that we schooled with and all that. Quite like Baba Zwangoga, stuff like that. That we know personally like that. And as a kid
I know
who
one
grew
of
up like that, you know, yeah, like it means a whole lot and all that. So yeah, shout out to you niggas. Shout out to the Zebras. Man.
Joy, 20 more.
Yeah, there's that as well, God.
Kara gore Litsile Tebogo was here. The whole team of
What about
athletes.
Ross Branch though? Like let's start with Ross Branch.
Yeah, no, next time
Yeah.
ke tswalla go. Inauguration e go tile go nne le di holiday, go thegele di half day.
Yeah.
Ross Branch, I don't know why.
No
na
holiday.
se direlwa yalo.
Like not even a welcome ceremony.
Sa le go te no re tla go mmona hela ko airport.
I hate the whole
And
mic,
then-
you know what I mean?
Like look why
then
you're
that
putting
was
a saying.
No, they
But
were
like
there,
that's
no,
why
they were there, they were
that's
there.
why like as a parent, malapeng, o divide bana. Wa bona? Because like how about say ka go leka.
So Botswana o divide bana.
Exactly dog.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, and
Wa bona?
bona
Go
go
tsamaiwa ka
go-
trend ka gore no
Botswana-
mona ke one mo go trendang.
Botswana-
Ba appreciate ka go tshwana. Ross Branch ke a sena ntutsotsi.
A sa agela nto ya 2 million.
Eh, like why sa hiwa ntlweni?
Kana ga
But
toro
wait about that one.
Hey.
I think you know not I think I saw somewhere.
Recently.
Yeah.
Nya, re tla bua ha e netswe seng go. Twa ke re ba le ba netswe.
Nna ne ke le mo kganyeng ya gore
I think it's there. Yeah.
ka yone ya zebras, I think the foul play.
Eh? No, like I did ask him, and I thought like he's all about, and I like that,
His
like
passion.
the appreciation that he's receiving, it's enough for him.
No, I'm
Do you
talking
like-
about the houses.
That's the modest thing to say.
content there was
Hey,
Hana
one,
na-
but as Motsadi mo lapeng, as a leader, you get it. Do like you have to see a way or no, like we have so many champions on PN. Yeah, like hey, arba tseka go leka leka.
How can win a gold? If you are a champion,
Gape ga ta athletes ya ke. Hey, gape ga ta athletes. That guy is an athlete as well. Exactly. Mariano go lebelwa athletics hela. What about
Yeah, baba.
ba bangwe stuff like
Basketball,
that?
volleyball.
Beach volleyball or whenever. Ha le simolla go agala batho mantlu. Agala batho mantlu bo. Agala overview man. No, we deserve those houses, nigga.
And I
Crazy.
think one thing that I
Started
realized,
podcasting in this country, though.
one thing that I realized, I think it was the welcome ceremony. I think there was miscommunication in terms of because that day, I think there was a press release there's a welcoming thing but no today is a half day and that, I think that's where the problem is.
Ne re lapisitswe ke di-holiday tse dintsi
Ha
di
se
sena
kganya
mosola.
holiday.
Eh, le di-half-day tse di sena mosola, guys.
mme bana ba rona ke bana ba rona as much as go lapisa
You are right,
mme hela bana
you
ba
are
rona ha
right.
ba dirile something
No, you are
amazing.
right.
We need to celebrate each and every person.
You are right.
Okay.
No, like you are right, see.
No, listen.
No, as much as re lapile but
No, you are right, see.
Zebras. Ntse tshamekela go qualify ko Francistown. These guys won everything. Go Francistown. Why are no re batswa?
Yeah,
Ebe ba
yeah,
tswa ga broad. If
Yeah.
they went to Francistown.
Yeah, that's another point.
Francistown
That's very
would be
true.
behind
Yeah.
Zebras.
yeah.
They could have filled that stadium over. Ngabe
Yeah.
sitetse Mpepene. But it's your kwan.
That's a good
Why?
point, man.
That's very true.
You get.
No, you're right.
So nke ba ile kwa ba satla kwa.
Yeah.
Trust me.
It goes back
the
to
stadium
Kganya
size
Motsadi
for
mo
the
lapeng.
stadium
It
is
is.
kids.
Yeah, no, you're
Kganya
right.
Motsadi mo lapeng.
Because kwano re setse re lapile ke bolitsile ke bo inauguration sengwe le
Ke
sengwe
nna ele ga boronela, le bana ba bangwe ba batla go
give
ikutusa.
other ha ile ko maung ke le ko maung ha nke le ko Francistown you get from the caps
Yeah. No, like that's right, bro.
Yeah.
No, that's right. Because you're not like in some go Francistown.
You get.
all the time. So
Finish
like
everything,
you
go
go
get.
like the welcome ceremony.
very
sengwe
ebe
le
ba
sengwe.
ta kwano ha
That's
ile
true.
seng ba ta go
Yeah.
eletsa kwano
And I think like there's still time to do that. Kore like go santse gona le nako.
Friday ni wa ba tsamaya be ile
Kana
Friday
go
ni
itswe,
hone
Hey, you know what's now?
ba announcela gore go have day go Francistown kwa.
No, like the
A re
whole
tsamaye.
country, mara
Hey.
Ai na re shapo ka di holiday. What the fuck?
half day go get
What the
go get
fuck?
to
What the fuck? Na ma ga re tapile ditse.
gape ra loser ya no
Hey,
na go di
yeah,
half day
yeah,
thata no
Hey, because kana rena mana like we are self-employed.
Hey.
You will raise it in since have
Ha re
this
sa
in
tsere le ra,
since. Come so ta go te payment ta tsana ka gore half day. Gore
wa
mona o
go
kula
bona ka
bona.
Monday
No.
Monday ba tsimetse
That week ke about payment ta tsana because of inauguration or a go ba gaetso.
wa o
A
ira
gore le one 4 days ole motho ke ha tsentse mo Facebook a re ena ke thwaletse for romane ya no.
fa le tso bona
Thwaletse for romane.
Yeah, it's what else do we have, Maji?
The trend that's been happening go TikTok. I don't know if it's only TikTok or it went to other social media. Yeah, gore we listen, we don't judge. It's been going crazy, especially amongst my 2K.
Hi, those niggas.
kanti what's that guys
A re tla le.
what's that
We listen, we don't judge.
O ba se pili.
No, true.
O ka se
that is
phedise
a-
eleng gore
Hey,
wa
I
itse gore o ka
agree.
se judge-etswa.
Yeah, let's
But
do
no
it.
one says anything.
Yeah.
Eh.
We listen, we don't judge. Say
No.
go first.
Ah.
gona tsama ke tla bua ko mara gore ke tlhaloganye gore le bua
Wena
because
simolola.
na ke yo mo
Ke mang o rileng re e dire kwano?
You
Ke mang?
ghost, yeah,
Ghost
ghost.
Simolola.
Hello. Yeah, we listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge.
Hey.
Are you guys participating? Gonna take Isaiah?
No, you started it, so you start.
Are you guys gonna participate?
Yeah,
Ra participate.
participate.
Okay, we
Hey.
listen, we don't judge.
Yeah.
We don't judge. J-Mo.
I'm laughing, I'm
We
not
listen, we
judging.
don't judge.
Yeah.
Hey, nigga, gore eng tota?
wa re wa gore wa easy
No, okay, tsena ke tla
We
ke
won't
tsena
judge
morao.
you, though. Come
No,
on.
just go. Let me think of something.
Jay.
No,
What
like
do
for
you-
real. Let me think of something. I don't know what to say right now.
Now, honestly, same.
I got to have a
Yeah, bualatswa.
Flazer, we
No,
won't judge.
Garetso, I can't think
nna ga
of...
ke itse ke batla gore ke
No,
luke gore
you
go
have
buiwa
to
ka
say
eng
something that you feel you're gonna be judged for, like a secret of yours, something you've done. Mo e leng gore batho ba tae ba re, ah,
nkile ka iseng
We masturbate. Or masturbate.
Hey, I went
nah.
after myself.
No.
I went after.
No. That one we won't judge you. We'll never judge you for that. We'll never judge you for that one.
No irela ana go we or no irela ana.
Ana yona.
I like my never.
Kedi.
La khetisana never. La rengante never.
Ako le bueng thabane. Jo ire bolello we listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge. When I got a million, then that was one.
I'm thinking.
I'm looking for it. I'm looking for a different
You
one.
see?
No, we don't judge.
I've played with my cousin.
Play.
Mantwani.
Yeah, plays a week.
Eh, was all right, we right.
Plays a week.
It's a PR.
Have you played with your cousin?
Definitely.
Apa I gotta go have a cousin.
Nothing comes from the
Guys,
top
that's
of my
about that.
head. Hey, No, but we're just saying, gore, like,
But like
the
there's
trend
something
thing.
with me, dog. Like that I have to.
Hey, akanya, but re tswelele, gore, there's the trend thing, like what people were posting, gore, it's some deep stuff.
Right.
It's crazy.
Yeah, what are the stories there?
There's others, Baba buang gore, they've done the Uber rides, like they've had sex with an Uber driver for free, just for a free, for a free ride.
That's what girls do.
Yo mongwe, eish, J-Mo, wa ko nthuse ho trend thing.
There was another one on Are. She was fucked by 3
Taxi
drivers. She's been
drivers.
fucked by 3 taxi drivers.
Why?
Just
What do you
one
mean?
more.
Why?
There's
We
no
don't
reason.
listen, we don't judge.
No, it's not
I
judging.
get
No,
like we are
I get
listening.
go ngona ka bua
Why
gore
do they
go ne ke
fuck?
ba
No, I get like, for
kolota.
instance, wa Uber ke rena ga tona ba tara eng?
Bua hela ga re tlhalose
Oh, tlhalose gore ka gore.
o jaaka condom e he go ntse ana mo room.
Wait,
Oh,
threesome
but-
or what?
Just make
Kana
a
yo,
statement.
that one
That's
is
the thing,
hanging.
Hey.
Like it's
Okay.
hanging.
We
Hey.
ile hela ya la re itse gore context ke. You just say a statement.
Tsohala. It's hanging.
I once got fucked by 3 taxi drivers.
Don't ask, that's it. O botsa eng?
Oh, she like
Listen.
getting taxi driver.
We can never ever judge you for
Ha
that.
re
thing,
judge.
Oceani.
Yo ha re ibile
That
yo ha
one,
re
eh,
judge.
eh,
You
like
know
that
what,
one,
that
look
one,
at
you
Yeah,
know
Mare,
why
it
it was
was- it
bad?
was- it
Because
was-
ona e bua le the
Let
sister,
us-
like the
it
older
was the-
sister. So o mo lebile gore dude. And then when
It was the younger sister who had the older brother.
Wa utlwa gore ano
Oh,
la
ano a neng a sa
sesano.
tlhalosa sentle.
Wa utlwa. Exactly.
Sorry.
So ne le monna wa motho a
Yeah, no,
bolela.
but you get
Hey,
the context.
wa bona
It
ya no
was-
di
it
bua
was
sentle.
bad.
Hey,
Like, le ba bangwe bana ba sekolo yo mongwe a bua gore I beat the fuck out of my mom. The way I beileng ka teng. Wa it's intense. Gore gape I think the way you were saying it, it also has that impact ya gore and then ke o sa ra I once fought with my mom. Why o tshwantse gore I beat the fuck out of my
Mfana.
mom? No, a girl.
Uh-huh.
Why o tshwantse go e baya? That
I know,
kind
but
of
girls
thing,
do
wa
that all
bona.
the times, eh?
I haven't fought with my mom.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
first of all.
Yeah. Mare, speaking of these things, guys, hey, kana rona like re tswa re tswa ko dikgokgometšong tse dingwane tse dikotsi-kotsi yana. Like I know some guy who once raped his little sister.
He once did
Yeah,
what?
and Range Rover.
Raped his little sister. Like for consecutive days. Kore like o mo rapile and then a ba mo tswalla mo ntlong.
Yeah, no.
A batliwa
same
gote like she's missing. Kore like a le mo lapeng la bone da. And mona a nneela mangwana, a nneela mangwana, a nneela
here. She
mangwana.
wasn't missing, but
Eh,
not same
like
story, but she
blood,
wasn't
blood sister.
Sister.
Sister raga,
People
like
do
the little
most,
sister.
bruh.
missing. Same father, same mother.
Uh.
Kerafon.
Hey, do like I know a guy like that. And then like he went to jail kinda about he was bailey. To like the guy like he's just roaming in the streets now.
Why back?
I was up. Like he's
Obviously,
like
ha o ka
hard.
boela ko lapeng.
No, I mean like hard. No, like he stays there still.
Hey, they have a sick family, right?
Bruh.
I'm telling you.
No, ngwana
I'm
malapeng
telling
ke
you.
ngwana malapeng.
Ah, hey, hey.
Ah, worry-
Is it so?
worry wena.
Well, like,
Wa itse gore gona le ha o ka go bola motho. O le dia wa o tsa go tsa gore ke ngwanake. O ngwanake. O ntsoga.
Bona, rape monna, wa re ngwanake.
Hey, wona re go rape. Ka re go bola.
Ah, no sa re motho o rapeile the
No,
no,
o tlo re ka reng. Ka re. Ke go ha example gore wena wa re go rape. Nna ka re la ha wena ke ha example.
Nya, o kgona go
O
bola
ka
ka
go bola.
phoso, o kgona go bola
A
motho
gona
ka
go bola ga phoso salana.
Eh, la kgona go bola
No,
motho ka
but
phoso.
but also I don't agree with Flazer, but he has a point.
Kana gore ha Jimo
Ngwana
wa ka
malapeng
argue
ke
wa
ngwana.
bona.
he's
Ya
saying,
ka
for
bua, kore
example,
I'm saying for example,
If you
o kgona
murder
go bola
someone,
ko.
your
Whether o
mom
ile
is
phoso
going
kana
to
eng.
support you
Your
because
mom
of
will
Accept
always
you
say
back.
gore
Nya, eo e sharp eo. Nna ka re go ja
Nyana mme ke dumelana
monnao.
le wena.
Go ja
Nna mme ke
monnao.
dumelana le wena.
Go
Nya
ja
eo ya
monnao.
meda eo,
Ya
ai.
meda e sharp.
It's
Go ja
a meda
monnao.
sharp.
Eh, sharp. A ke re o boleile motho go
Kgaitsadi
seng.
o.
A ka nyano go ja monnao. A ka nyo o mo rape le one.
No, like let for me.
Consecutive.
I'm with you there. But yeah, but at the same time, Flazer kanya ibuang. It
Joy na
happens.
bua gore
Whatever say le gore ngwana malapeng.
a o ntse o boetse go ga bone. Joy morare o boetse o nna gono ko. Ya nka re ga ka kubula because
Nankaki.
ba go motsaya gore
I
ke ngwana
forget.
mo lapeng.
Ah,
Mmago ke mmago rago e go ngarago ka teng me mmago never.
Hey, like what's the most bizarre thing that you've ever heard or seen when about people? Because like
What?
for me, that's their one.
what?
Like, what's the most bizarre story that you have?
Like,
Hey.
something happening like
Yeah,
around people
ubona,
I
yeah,
know.
yeah, stuff like that. Like how nigga share stories. But and man, I have a whole lot of stories, dog.
Ah, wana o catalogo mon.
Ah, I think the most traumatic
Patrick.
one was like way back when I was still like a kid, where like my aunt was being abused by the husband. Like I think
Hey,
Hey,
what
okay.
the hell is
I don't want to say much, but it came to a point where there was drugs involved, and then nare tsena ko lapeng re ithela motho a le dibulwa ebile go lebega e le gore na itetswe mo lapeng. Like I think that's the most traumatic thing I've seen.
Like in your life.
Yeah, like we tell them to tswa madi kante go ra rona ha re tsena like maybe 5-10 minutes before we entered. That shit happened. Re mo ithela e le gore o rugile, there's blood on the floor and stuff like it literally happened. So had we been there earlier, we would have witnessed it like
Yeah,
that.
that's bad, yeah.
So
You from
yeah.
a good place, man, nigga. Hey, man, you from a good environment. Though.
I get it.
Do like if that's the most traumatic thing that you've
No,
seen.
I think for me traumatically shit happens to me, not
Oh, to you.
yeah. Trouble comes looking for me. I don't go to
Oh,
trouble.
yeah. For you,
So I don't
Flazer.
want to even say much about that.
I know it's a lot, man.
Yeah, ne?
It is a lot, dog. It is a lot.
Dog, not gonna like I've seen people killing people. Do like I've seen someone dying at Tabiwa, yeah.
A friend of mine who killed a motoka foroko. No, like for real. I'm not lying.
That's a sharp
Mm,
object. I
mm,
don't get why you guys are laughing.
No, listen.
Yeah.
A friend of mine who killed a kore, for example, ken na ke joy rentsa and it's overview ne, and then we get a host to go gladly, ne. Re session akere ke a le host go gladly. Be ke ha go gladly ga letsela. Ke re akere let's kala tsana mo kitchening because I know niggas. Gore ha ba bule fridge ba bona polone ba ngata, ba bona braai pack ba pa. So the reason I'm saying let's kala tsana mo kitchen is because of those reasons. So I want gore ka moso re bo ledi ba boa
grocery ya kgwedi yote
e re ba boa e ba itlhelele gore ga gona sepe a bona so ke a le kgalemela gore no kitchen ga e tsene e be le ntha le re mo le ga ke tsoga nna ka bo 3 phakela ke tsoga mo blackouting ke itlhelele gore Joey o ga dikile braai pheke mae ka ha bacon borotho juicy wa apere seaparo sa gago lady sa kereke wa bona and then be ke kgalemela Joey but I did say 1 2 3 don't do that Joey ba na mana re shelo wa bona e be ke betwa ke pelo e be ke tsa se leng gaufi e be ke itlhelele gore ke foroko Joey tla ntwantlela masepa a gago and then e be ke motlhaba intse le like best friend e be ke mmola and then a ba sola right on the spot like ke motlhaba nna ke re ke a tshamka ke re ke a mo gobatsa hela and then e be ke motlhaba a ba sola right on the spot e be ke a trongong for 4 years.
Or for 4 years?
Yeah. He went for jail for 4 years.
Ghost. O tswa mahala pelo go swantse go nna le ditori.
So ke se bone like tsiragala live drive in front.
Nna ka mahala pe di moitsi ke mo etela. Ne ke a mahala pe dikolo di tswa. I spend most of my time go phala.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but the most craziest thing that I've ever experienced in a personal was one time there was this session called Park CEDA.
Yeah.
And there was this girl in Mata big time and she really got our Naja.
Yeah, the
cards.
The Russianese.
Yeah, the tagamis.
Hey, the
Makhaleni.
Chalkboard.
Makhaleni.
And she really
Merano.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
At least ke le bogile gore a ke mo kganye ke a le mo
Ntse so wana go. Yeah.
So when I was fro Asia Merano, you know. So I'm fro e kana gore ke batla go shapa le nna wa bona. And she's telling me gore no, the nngwe gore o shape ntswana. Gore re je Merano.
Yeah.
There was no way o ka betsang ya la sa. I can't Jamerano, but I was tempted to Jamerano.
Wait, how old were you by that time?
I think it was 20. I was still part of that crew.
Amanandus.
Something like that. Something like that. Yeah, Toto, I think that's one of the craziest.
That happens a lot, huh?
2016?
18. Yeah.
Hey, man.
Nana going to be bidit.
The way you got on
just
Cycad
for that time, once.
Once okay now.
No, but once you hit once, you are done.
Say more like is there anything?
You ha ke dumele ka yone because ngile ka go ga zolo abana but me ga ke fu ngile ka tshwara go ga kwae
Rare cocaine.
me ga ke fu kwa
Daga
We're not
meso.
talking about weed
Thing,
or
where we got
cigarettes.
like-
Rare
We're
cocaine.
talking about
Cocaine.
drugs like
that's not cocaine.
Re bua ka cocaine na bananyana
not
ba packs
cocaine.
ba ba togelwang ka madi le
cat cocaine.
Say more like any story.
Are go.
Okay, there was this other time. Negana late daka. So nerele ha main deck or one. So from main deck, ne sanzeli siga go pagala and go Tshwanelang. So from main deck, this guy, we had 3 Ramajita. We have like 2 cars. I was driving my car, and my friend had just recently bought his car. Like it was a week old. So from main deck, everyone a machiri. So machiri bal 5, not 3. So machiri waring late daga na tsora ka GTA. So machiri ba re ba batla go pagama GTA, ba batla go pagama BMI ma wana.
ba go kgwa.
Ba nkgwasi. Okay. Naka tsa late daga cousin na me ra pagama bima. Ra go etsa re tsamaka the back road ya mphakalane wa bona.
Glen Valley.
So along the road tota ebile ha re emella ko main deck. My friend ke mara yo on tharo ba to gonela tshiri go ra kgwetsa wa bona. Mara no late daga o kwa re koloi ya go santse le ntsha. O bona ela tshiri koloi. Re ntse re ja metsi mo main deck. Kgwetsa re phakalane on thaloganyo kgwetsa out ya ba gana ba re no let me leave this girl, she knows how to drive. Okay, no sharp. So along the road, this girl, what about one? So I know, na get I get an apple have one. For a control the pace or something. I want one. So I get along and raris. So no rats and I'm not telling you near ya camera. Eva Giracolo. dira koloi ba kopakopane
Guy was really cafe.
ba robegile maoto kopakopane kgoborile kopakopane. So I was the first person on the scene. So what happened was ngwanyana wa ntse a tabogane ke re a ke tsamaela ko pele wa bona. So now obviously in that position ke mo sia ke tsamaela ko pele. So maybe I don't know along the road ngwanyana ba lose control ba dira koloi.
Brand new car.
Yeah, it was a week old. So be ke ta U-turn ke bona koloi e ntseng e ntse morago.
Ga
Se o ne tota ebile go itile koloi be ke re koloi e ntseng e ntse morago ke the Golf, not this car. So I had a U-turn I ke tsana go githela koloi pitikologile. I was the first person to take all of them to GPH. So ke no ke ba ntse mo koloi ba le role
ba tshela.
ba kgwa mmu no go kopakopana.
Ba tsela.
No ba robegile ko re no go kopakopana wa
Ba
bona.
le sharp.
Never let but yo, bra, it
It
was scary. It was
No, like to say Moru, like that's the most traumatic
It
though.
was scary. It was
Not
scary
crazy,
because and you were just with them and I'm tolerant.
Story sela sa di sugar mamili pizza.
You've said it on the podcast like so many times. Hey, Mare, dog.
Life happens, eh?
Dog, you niggas are from good places, huh?
No, let's wrap it up, man.
Like, what do we have there, Tepi?
You are not from a good place.
Dog.
did tell us.
Hey, man, I've seen a whole lot of dead things, dog. Dude, like I told you that I've seen when I like niggas killing niggas. Mare,
Only thing.
dog.
Why do you want to
Listen,
Oh,
but I'd
state
say,
witness again,
like I'd
state
say to me, like the most traumatic thing ever.
Yeah.
Man, like no one alam fano mwana. Every time I like mohudi, wawan. And then man, like this nigga abago bona go sporonda. Hamara ga tattoos. Go sporo lo man like this nigga man cut him into pieces like he's dead. From there I get on like wow we I get like in the hood. Go tekana
Kosporo.
go sporo on this and that. So man like who was sporo. Man
Really?
dog. Man like a nigga that I know. Man like no time I bolo lane as well as how it went to pieces. Hey dog. I know like go bola ilwe ke batho and then like ba mize like go gatile ke tereng. So and then batho ba mmona.
Wait,
Obviously.
To be honest, like I'm not too sure. Like I remember give another head, mautu, like like I'm not too sure about that. No, like a nigga that I know, dog, like that.
Crazy, bro.
Hey, dog,
I know.
Sharia.
What about Dipoko? Who is one is Poko Mobotolomba?
Kiss
no like literal ghosts or bobalo yeah nah. Why is one little?
Story sa mokolodi.
Hey la. Negele on analysis ngwa sa o.
Yo, Vince, someone talk paisera. Yeah, carry on.
So there was this other time. Nigga
Oh, okay.
this event, bruh.
Hey.
This event ya Duru. Nelo ana mangana thala iswana ko molapa.
Barbecue.
Just
Hey,
there.
then I was still a young in that time.
Yeah.
So I don't know I think niggas na kolo ya one. So niggas are kolo ya kwa lapi. So anong batsadi anong ba letsa right. So gonna busigo. Hey, okay re batla kolo ye. And by that time I was staying all the way in Mokolodi. And it was that time I still think it's answer. So I'm driving to Mokolodi around about 10 by 11 with you.
Hey.
So yana ke one lane nyana no one. Bro. I ntse ke khwetsa hela by a Kale Street. Bro, ke bona mosadi le ngwana. No listen bro, ke bona mosadi le ngwana ba tsasitswe ba itsatse mosidi like wood ash.
Sunscreen.
Banal di dote tse di ntshwana like crossing the road but tsena mo tseleng like I get to never but
only one.
I was alone in the car, bro.
Hey, well.
No, like that's what my dad said, bruh. That's what my dad said.
Oh, like he said,
But
we're not sure.
Like what's the para?
We're not sure. How?
Hey,
well.
yeah.
Hey.
So yeah, like so I served hard.
Sir.
So here mo tseleng a ke ya go Mokolodi so how ya Mokolodi gona le 10 o tsana o ya Mokolodi so like kwa lapeng go fa
1 or 2
no like the first turn after police
Hey,
after
ke one.
hey gone mo So like ko lapeng go deep so the way the drive from Khale
trauma.
to ko lapeng
No sobering.
later ka ke
Go sober.
tsama ke na le bana ba pheo tsele yotlhe later ka tsela yotlhe. So guys, do you believe in ghosts and witches and whatever?
No, like now I think that ghosts are there.
You think?
Yeah,
so
Mary,
haven't seen
but
one.
I don't
Just-
think
I've never
I don't
seen
know.
Ile ka bona spoko gape ke le monna.
It could like I've seen
Yeah, no,
bizarre
but kids are
stuff.
vulnerable.
Ile ka bona spoko gape ke le monna.
Kids are vulnerable.
How do you know that it's a ghost?
Bro, wena go lo go le mo phehong
Ga
go
ke
elela
tsebe.
go elela magalo go le mo phehong wena wa gore ke eng wena?
Or I am like paint the
Like-
picture. Can I
Bro, like it was ne le go lo hela go le mo phehong go elela magala like it was lava. O kile bona le gala.
Can't tell me on agents like let me
But the
still
place
at
was-
that.
O kile bona le gala.
Like still at that.
Ya
Eh?
tsogela Flazer na tsega he.
Wait, just
Flazer. What am I iragala?
I cannot focus on you, Flazer, as a focus. Wait, why are ghosts associated to Magala? Can
Nah, kids.
Bagala.
hey,
Kgala.
hey,
This is the first
no.
time.
Le nna ke la
How
nna
is
ke
it?
utlwa.
No, like for real, this is the first
Look,
time.
le gala rona le gala mo lira something tla go tino ke spo.
No, like nese le galo le wana
No,
ga
this is the
batsi.
first
O kile bona go lo go le mo phehong just hanging in the air. O bo go
Eh, le
timela ka
mo-
bonako, o bo go timela ka bonako. Like you see it for like for about 3 seconds because le no a panic wa ema o ipotsa go iragala. Antaloganye. Then when you turn back, hot time or I see or something, there's no more of it. Because if you ever see what thing, I got trying to I was sleeping over. I was sleeping
Some
over.
mama she-
I was sleeping over at a friend's house. So we saw what then like nigga no go peek one, go peek.
O se bona ka kwa ntla ga ntlo.
Inside.
Inside the house.
That's
the
that
house.
tokolo si a kere ne.
Bro, still, bruh. I saw that shit.
not
and it was
Tokolo.
not nice, bruh.
Folanda. I Folanda on the
like,
Poko.
like,
Ah,
nigga na like,
Folanda.
Bolo.
Boloi.
come on.
So like they know when you bolo.
Ke selo se se dirisiwang ke baloi go tortura batho ba bangwe.
Hey.
But nice given a sip.
This is
I don't want to
right.
lie.
But then
nna tota I've never nna mme ko rela ke tshwengwa ke
Unless
dibeteledi.
you shwele
Ah,
like
no,
it's
more the
Guys,
water.
a retsane kana mo wa bua mo wa bu. A retsane.
Sebetele-
Why not you guys want to spoke?
Listen.
Sebetele di video sleep paralysis to.
No, that I know, but I mean an instance where you can
Yeah,
literally
Gomz.
feel
Oh,
where you
yeah.
can literally feel gore go ha o ka re
Hey,
ke a
ke tshwere ke
tshwariwa or
motho.
something.
Hey.
Ke tshwere
Why not you guys
like
wanna
mo
spoke?
gongwe o le ka go
La ema pele
lebelela
tshepanga,
ka-
we.
E be go ga no bona gore there's
O bona gore go na le
something.
moriti.
Eh, o gore
Moriti
o ta
o
go
teng.
komela mme
Mme
go
go
gana
pala, ya,
tota.
ya.
Le go go tshwarela o kgona go utlwa mo mmeleng wa gore go ha ke a kgomiwa.
Yeah.
It's not paralysis, that one.
Ipo.
Trust
But
me.
apparently it's a good thing o tshwarwa ke sebeteledi.
Why?
Ah,
Because-
wa bo re
Start,
nyana. Na go tshwana le gore boloi bo siame.
No, kare apparently like it's a good thing go tshwarwa. Like I'm reading like a book. Yeah, this other guy like I'd like to invite him to the podcast. Like he's a spiritual. So, hey, like I forgot. So I wanted to read his books first. A re go tshwarwa ke sebeteledi is a good thing because ha ile gore ke bo mthagati. Kore like wa ba ha ba go defeat. Wa bona.
Hey.
You should be worried ha ba lo iba tsena and
O
then
bo
ba ira
so
sengwe le
to
sengwe.
save.
Eh.
O bo so bo tswa
So
ga ya,
yeah, gate for sebeteledi like you should be worried when how lwa le sone be se go defeat.
Se go defeat go hella go ntse
se go di
jang.
fita yang ngotaka.
Ah, ke re like ha se go defeat wa thulamela like o ntse go lwa le
Eh, o
sone.
ntse o lwa le
Sebeteledi
sone,
eh like o bo thulamela.
Eh, so ntse re o tswa go.
Eh,
Nna mme ke a
eh,
thanya.
so gate like ha ka re o lwa le sone and then o
senyewa
bo
ba
tswa.
gore.
It's a good thing. Wa bona gate like it's actually a good thing that o tshwara. Don't take it as a bad thing because actually o feel a presence ya bone. Wa bona like ha ba go email ba go robatse and then
Yeah.
ba go helletsa stuff
Which
like
means
that.
you're actually blessed.
Yeah.
Kana ora gore God is on your side, basically.
Yeah, but also science le one a re ke sleep paralysis a ka je mo abu.
As it's a deprivation, it's ke ha your brain is deprived of
Khona la no
oxygen.
so khotha mo marao.
Yeah, no, like
Hey,
yeah, we'll have
anyways.
it like on the
Osaro
pod.
wala sentle. I
Yeah.
get usually sebetele di so
Flazer, tebana, tepam Flazer. Let's focus. Tebana, kana ekare like a ribu and then lone be le bua
Flazer
ka.
doing that.
Flazer. Tebana like let's focus. Tebana.
No, I get ready.
Ah, gente. Eh, uno range imo.
No,
What's
nigga,
that?
sleep paralysis.
Eh.
Okay, it's when your brain is deprived of oxygen. So it usually happens. It usually occurs when you're sleeping on your back.
Yeah.
So yaanong ho re
The
betse ka
flow.
mokwatana yaanong
yeah.
ha to khatha flow ya oxygen to boboko ba gago.
Science says
So,
that,
eh,
spirituality says otherwise. What's a
I
maling?
guess so. I don't know.
What's a maling?
a re tshwanetse re amogele gore mo Botswana mo re simolotse ka bo ATR mo ditumelo. That's actually good luck, but ditumelo gore na re simolotse ka yone ATR gore if this happens so and so is that. Science ke gone e tang e tshwana le bone bo Christianity.
Hey, wait.
So, I go
Guys,
with-
I'm tapangare. Observe ke nonyane ke good luck. How so?
Yeah. No,
Serious?
it's just a belief, I guess.
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't know how. Hey.
Nna ntshweretse bona kana le mathata.
Yeah, guys, let's sign out, man, niggas. Let's sign out. Flazer, any last word to the people? What is that thing say long or how kai ke? Waratana maka bruno senation.
Madi.
Madi.
Money.
Money. Ghost.
Kana gore yaanong money in a more generic wa bona.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I didn't say madi.
Re ntshe madi.
Yeah, I didn't say madi. Go like break it down. Maybe
Polo e to.
a big dick. Tsepi.
Gona ona le big digo was I dirisitseng.
Wena a nkitse.
Tsepi.
Money one.
Money.
No,
So like
you
you
still
still,
madi a kere.
Hey, money. I'm still going to stick to money.
even for you girls.
Dude, you know that one is obvious, especially with us women.
I don't know.
Bayana
No,
ba
get
rata
a lot
madi
of
like
wena.
that.
You cannot date
No, it's
without
not
having
for
money.
rata madi. Kurela, you need to
Network
understand.
madi.
No,
No.
not us on our own. You need to understand that even in a relationship, for it to actually function, there's always money involved.
Hey, there's mine.
You get what I
My
mean?
question is that lemo wena is a check on time.
Yeah.
Like how sana mari you cannot date. Like you cannot be in a relationship.
You can try, but at the end of the day, you can feel the suffering. Gore, "Ai, no gone ela wena a tlhokega."
So like a woman needs money to be in a relationship.
Not a woman, and it's not a.
A relationship
something
needs to
like-
be.
Okay, basically.
Needs
Let
to
me
be
put it
funded,
like that.
you
Let
know.
me not fight it. Something like that.
Okay. Yeah, guys. This is how we come to the end of the show today. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Of all the places that you could have been, you chose to be with us here in Mezos Cafe. Come through, guys. We'll save you a lunch in one. Next to get it up. And now I understand why Vince is fat now. Huh? Yeah, I see. He comes to Mezos all the time. He comes to Mezos all the times and all that. Yeah. Sepang close on the show, my nigga.
All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And we're closing off, Rere.
We out.
Eh, wa ratiwang so.
From the capital, this station is now the ultimate power in the universe.